Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use mirror selfie option in your phone Oneplus Nord. First of all, go to camera and it's in front camera, that is selfie camera. And I shift to back camera and go to the settings of my phone and here mirrored selfie photo, just I turn off. So now I take a photo. I have turned off mirrored selfie. So see here, photo is coming in correct way, that is right hand is showing in the right side. For video, I check, I taking video and I show the action like eating and see the video is also recorded in correct way. In the video it's showing in right side and again I go to settings of camera and turn on mirrored selfie. Now I record video. With right hand I eat, but in the video it's also showing in right way. So for video it's not a problem, but in photo you will see the difference. Now I take a photo. I take a selfie with right hand raised, but in photo it comes like left hand raised, so you should turn off mirrored selfie so that it comes in right way. That's all friends.